10 lines on human kidney. Kidneys are two bean shaped organs in your body, one on each side of your spine. Kidneys clean your blood by removing waste and extra water. Kidney also helps to control blood pressure by balancing salts and minerals. Kidneys are made up of nephron cells. Unhealthy kidney can cause a lot of sickness and complications. A person can live with just one kidney. The left kidney is bigger than the right kidney. Kidney transplantation is done in case of kidney failure. Drinking more water helps your kidney to function properly. World Kidney Day is celebrated on 14th March each year.